Welcome to our extra tutorial about the new camera setting in your current render. So that's quite interesting. I was sitting and thinking how I can show you something more interesting, something more cool. And let's compare result A to B as always. And now I can suggest you one more idea how you can do this in a very simple way. And from this render, I came to another angle, something like this. And as well, I'm now simply using a next prompt. So I'm trying to explain AI that I want to move camera back from this new frame and to get a third view, yeah? And now it looks in this way. So generally I created a completely another view having only one image. And now I wanted to show you how exactly this can be done. As always, you'll find file attached to our tutorial, so no worries. And the main idea of it is selecting our source file, selecting a correct prompt. For example, this will be our prompt. Move camera to a red dot and make a new frame dot from it. Show a view of this camera in the red arrow direction of this camera. In a new view, show blue drawn area, remove red to blue lines on a final render. So what I was doing, I was trying to create it on the source image. So simply using a left mouse click, simply clicking enlarge, hitting option draw. Now clicking remove to start from 0, and let's paste my prompt and let's check it. So this idea based of moving current camera and current view using a draw option on our NanoBanana information. As you remember, we have image editor, NanoBanana Pro, 2K original. So I am in the drawing option. I have a red option selected. So it's a red pen. Move camera to a red dot and make a new frame from it. So okay, let's try. It will be a red dot somewhere here. Okay, showing a view of camera direction, red arrow. Okay, here we have some direction. In a new shot, in a new view, show blue drawn area. Okay, let's jump to a blue. Please remember that it's a very innovative technology and it's not showing us everything correctly. So I want to put red in a red dot camera and the angle and direction will be directed to the arrow and show a blue area from this point. Yeah, AI don't know exactly where it is because we're talking about 3 dimensions having only 2. So for AI, it's very difficult case. So simply I'm in the source image. I have image editor NanoBanana Pro, 2K original, and I'm simply hitting make. We'll make a few tests to set the best result. Of course, as always, I'll make 3 tests or 4 until we will receive a good result. It's very tricky. It's very interesting option. So it can take a little bit more time and a little bit more tests. And now we can select something other, some other prompts. Here I had more simple prompts. For example, as you see, not all prompts were so difficult. This one also was from current prompt. So we can jump into our source. We can click enlarge, and maybe this time in the draw option, I will draw another angles. Maybe I'll put blue area will be here, for example, and a red dot will be somewhere here, and red arrow will be to this direction. So yeah, you can play around and try different angles because we are talking about new idea for new angles. So not always it is correct, not always it is so clear and easy. So yeah, like it's obvious that sometimes it will need more tests and more, it will need more time from your side. But the idea of it, I hope you like it because now you can create a new frames without too many problems, yeah? So yeah, simply we have now first frame. I'm not happy with that because it's completely another architecture. On the other hand, like we don't know what is behind this wall. So probably, maybe it's okay, yeah, I don't know exactly. But I'll remove it. So yeah, we are not talking about some difficult frames as this. This one is quite okay. It's not exactly what I was expecting. Here we have no changes. So the chance of getting a new angle is not so high. And now I'm having only 30% of success rate, but I'm receiving a new angle and it's interesting, yeah? So here we have some issue. It's generating something crazy. Yeah, as I mentioned, Google NanoBanana is, it's fresh technology and people are working now on this code. So time to time you cannot receive correct result. That's okay. Like just a little bit of patience and you'll receive perfect results. Just wait a little bit. Engines are going better and better, and 2026 will just, change everything. So I'll remove it. It's not interesting. Here I have no changes and here I have no changes at all. So we received generally only one good result from it. So as you see, new angles are quite tricky question. And let's select maybe another option. Move red camera to red dot and make a new frame. Okay, red area from this area, remove red lines on the render. Yeah, it was the first of my tests. It was the most simple. So what I'm doing here, I'm clicking enlarge in my source image. I'm selecting draw option here, removing everything. I'm in the red draw mode. My prompt will be the same as I was showing you 1 second before. Move camera to a red dot and make a new frame from it. Show a red area from this area. Camera, remove red lines in the final render. So it's simpler than 2 colors. So basically I had better results with that. So I was putting, for example, a red dot here, and my frame was here. It was my test, yeah. So I was trying to see how it will go and to see how AI can understand my result. So yeah, I'll simply put it somewhere here. Here we'll have some final results. Clicking enlarge button again. I'm in a draw option here. Sorry, in a draw option here. Button draw. Let's draw again. For example, maybe red dot will be here. And the frame I want to show will be this one. Yeah, and clicking make a few times. As always, to have a more understanding of the context, more understanding if this solution is correct. So remember, this is only one of the ideas. It doesn't mean that you have to do exactly the same or it always works, but it's a direction of thinking. And my main goal to show you how to think, how to find some creative ideas to get some interesting results. Yeah, so yeah, it's the direction. It's the direction of thinking, yeah? So you'll find this file under the tutorial, so no worries. Feel free to steal my prompts, test it, send to your friends, try VizMaker for free, no worries. But please do this, because this is changing everything. So yeah, we have no changes here as you see. Here we have completely strange changes. But here, I'm receiving exactly what I was thinking about, what I was dreaming about. I'm receiving a new angle. So the error rate is very high, really, really high. But if you have time and if you have credits, of course, try it and test it, and you'll receive a really good results, really different angles. We can also play as well with the last of my prompts. So we can also use this prompt to move camera back. For example, to see more context. For example, here I don't see the full building, so I'm simply pasting my prompt, move camera back 10 meters and make camera setting to 120 millimeters. So I'm simply clicking make, and I'll do the same for this image. Yeah, also 2 tests, and I'll remove those images, they have no results. So primary, now I have 2 results, I am satisfied with them. And let's see if we can do something more. Okay, red arrow direction. Yeah, it also was the third method I was trying. I was clicking here the draw option, removing everything. I was in the red mode and I was trying to create something like red dot and only direction where camera is looking. Yeah, it's not too much information for AI. It's okay for me, I think. So I'm in image editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K original. I'm hitting make 3 times to see the mistake rate. Because as you see, for difficult topics as a new render, the mistake rate is quite high. So don't be shy, like test, try it. And let's check our prompt about moving camera backward. Yeah, it's very good. The camera was moved perfectly. We now have a beautiful shot. Yeah. 1, 2, yeah, 3. Here the result is not so good. Camera was not moved as I wish here as well. So as you see, camera movements with AI is quite tricky and quite problematic. But I received one more result. Now I know a little bit more about my exterior. I know a really new angle for idea for presentation before I even open a 3D engine. As you see now, the arrow option is not working. Please remember that you can also change the engine. Yeah, like we can click the source, we can click our enlarge option, draw, and we can simply change it to usual NanoBanana. Yeah, it's not always doesn't mean bad. So we can use usual NanoBanana and see will it go better. Yeah, so simply jumping to my 3 results, and let's wait a second until we'll see them. We can do the same for this prompt. So I'm clicking here on my image and I want to move camera back on the 10 meters, and let's click make. yeah, as you see for this moment, NanoBanana is not giving us any results. So yeah, hope you like it, hope you'll try it. It's one of the ideas how you can add extra renders from a one shot only in a generally few minutes. It's a quite cool idea to find new views on your current render. As you see here, NanoBanana worked perfectly. It moved camera backward and made a huge improvement of the quality for me. Now I know much more about this render and it looks really good, really perfect. I have really good results. Yeah, and thanks for your attention. All those results I'll move here to our tree of a new prompts. So you'll find all those files attached to the tutorial, and see you in next tutorials. See you and goodbye.